Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the date and time on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Date and Time. Now click the padlock icon in the bottom left corner to unlock the settings. Click Use Password and enter your Mac password, or use Touch ID to unlock the settings. At the top of the page where it says Set Date and Time Automatically, you want to uncheck the checkbox to turn that setting off. You can now use the calendar to choose the date. And change the time by using the clock or the arrows. Once you have set your date and time, click Save. The date and time will immediately change on your Mac. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.